Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to change the admin name on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The process is exactly the same on all Mac devices. Let's get started. First, open System Settings. You can do this by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings, or by searching for it in your dock. Once you're in System Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see Users and Groups. Click on it, and on the right side, you'll see a list of user accounts on your Mac. Find your admin account, which is usually the first account listed. To edit it, right-click on it. If you're on a MacBook, you can do this by tapping 2 fingers on the trackpad. On an iMac, just right-click with your mouse. Next, select Advanced Options. You'll be asked to enter your password to continue. After entering your password, click Unlock. You'll now see all the account details, including your user ID, group, username, and full name. Look for the full name field, double-click on it, and simply type the new name you want to use. Once you've entered the new name, click OK to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your admin name on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.